We'll discuss how to display our Instagram feed in our website. So in that case, we need to install a plugin first. So go to plugin and click on add new, and in the search bar just type Instagram feeds. So this is the plugin we are going to install in our website. So install the plugin now, and once it's installed, please activate the plugin. Okay, the plugin has been activated. So now in the left side where you can see Instagram dashboard, Instagram feeds, so just click on settings. Okay, once you click on settings, you can see manage resources. So just click on sources first. Now you will redirect it to this page, connect to Instagram. So login with Instagram, click on this button. Okay, so I already logged in our Instagram, so just I'm going to allow first. Okay, so once it's done, you can see your domain name is html.wpdevcourse.com. so this is our dev site domain. So I'm just going to click on yes, it's my domain. So now it's getting activated. Okay, now you can see it's activated. Instagram account has been connected here, so you can click on, you can see the ID name is. So now we are going to select our short code. So go to all feeds settings. So once you click on it, you can see this kind of dashboard. Just click on add new and just click on next button. You can see our Instagram account, you need to just check. So once it's checked, just click on next button again and click on yes, let's do it. Okay, you can click on add personal account updated. Okay, can yes, you can click no, maybe later. So now it's loading. Now you can see this is our Instagram feedback. Just click on short code, just copy and go to your WordPress. Just copy the short code and you can create a page or wherever you want to display the Instagram feed. You just need to place your short code. So now we are going to create a page first. It's called Instagram feeds, and I'm just going to paste it short code here. So click on publish button. So go to the page, you can view the page from here. It's loading. Now you can see our Instagram feeds has been updated and it's showing on the front end. So this is the way we can easily display our Instagram feeds into our WordPress website. That's it. Thank you.